So, if you've been watching my channel for a little while, you'll notice that last year I posted a video of trying to get to the end of this trail. So after doing a lot of walking and brush clearing and whatnot today, I don't know if we're gonna make it to the end. And was unsuccessful. We ended up having to go back. This time it's a little different. We've got a few people with us. We are gonna get to the end of this trail, whether it's raining or sunny or snowing, we don't care. This is happening, so stick around. You'll see something special at the end. Work, man. Okay, so as you can see, we're just ripping through this trail. It's a super tight rainforest type trail, typical British Columbia stuff. And before I forget, if you haven't seen it, we have these now. Head over to forbiddeноffroad.com, grab yourself some merch. We got toques, we got jackets, we got hoodies, we got everything. Head over there, you won't regret it. We're at the halfway point in this trail. You may notice that I took my sweater off because it's really humid and really hot, but you may notice that my Forbidden Off-Road t-shirt is exactly what I need for this trip. We're gonna take a little bit of a hike. Once you get to the halfway point, there is just a short walk, it's like 30 seconds, and you come out at this lake, or this, I don't know if it's a lake or a pond or whatever you want to call it, but yeah, we're gonna go and check that out. Straighten out, bump it. The camera does not do this trail justice. This is one of the tightest trails I've ever run in my entire life. And it's almost always you're gonna get some sort of damage when you come out on this trail. My one pro tip for this trail is it's just take your time, right? And keep your eyes on both mirrors. Otherwise, you're likely gonna knock one of them off. A couple feet and then hard in. Yeah, watch that side. Watch that side. It's way too hard to get every angle here. You're clear. You're clear. Straighten out, straighten out, straighten out. I know it doesn't feel like you want to, but just do it. And then head left. What? Left. Yes. 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 Left. Go, 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 go. Yeah, you got it. Stay in it. Okay. I don't know what the heck you got hung up on.
Something on the other side.
Okay. So back up, passenger a bit, please. Going. Good. Good. Come ahead, passenger. Come ahead. Okay, keep coming, keep coming. Don't turn anymore, just go straight. Here. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, I need to back up this. Yeah, hold on, hold on. It's a road rock. You should have no problems. Come ahead, come ahead, come ahead, come ahead, come ahead. Okay, drivers, 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 drivers. Drivers, drivers. That's all you, that's all you. Stay straight, stay straight. Stay straight. Okay, hard in. You're good, you're good. Get out of here. I don't need you. Nice and straight. Straighten out. Perfect. Okay, give this video a like if you think Heather's doing a great job. It's so hard to show how tight this trail is right now, but like I'm genuinely scared for people's wing mirrors and tail lights. It's rough tight. You're good, you're good, you're good. Why doesn't the mirror want to go? Is it JB welded? Like mine are? Yeah, buddy, we got her to fold. Nice work. Never come wheeling without your chainsaw, folks, especially in this climate. Okay, if you guys thought the trail was tight before, it gets tighter. Okay, I'm going to talk about something that a lot of YouTubers don't talk about when they go out on trails, and that is the downsides to uploading trails to maps. Whatever map app you use, for me it's Onyx Offroad. The downside is this. Okay, people come out and they use the trails and they leave crap like this behind. So if you are one of those people, stop doing that, okay? Because you're gonna ruin it for the rest of us. They just want to come out here, have fun in our Jeeps, wheel, you know, in nature. This was not us, by the way. This was not us. I repeat, this was not us. Nor was that. Straight. Hard, hard, hard. Hard. Okay, now this way, this way, this way. I'm trying to direct and film, it's pretty hard. Back up and passenger. Okay, good, now ahead. Okay, let's go see how Ryan does. Nice work, buddy. Ooh, nice work. Uh-huh. 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 How you doing?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Back up. Back up and bump over this. You've done what Ben did, didn't you?
I have.
Yeah. Lock in. Bump it. Let's go. Go, go, go. Okay, as you can see, Heather's got herself turtled. So now we got to get out of this predicament. Yeah, we're going. Hang tight. Okay, all we need to do is pull out a winch line and we got off of the turtle situation.
Oops.
So let's carry on.
Let's do that.
Go! Go! Oh. Just walked it. He's on smaller tires and a smaller lift than we are. Walked it. That's the way it goes sometimes, guys. It's the way it goes. As you can see, we're brightening up a little bit. I wonder why. I think because there's a little less tree covers than there was before. And that can only mean one thing. We're getting close to the end. Can I show you the most incredible thing you've ever seen? All right, you guys, I always forget to do a proper close to my videos. So today I'm going to be taking a little bit of time and just thanking everybody for supporting what I do and following us along on these journeys. And it wouldn't be possible without you guys supporting me by just hitting the subscribe button. And every time you watch a video, just hit that thumbs up. It really, really helps the channel. Let's just take a moment and enjoy this view, because I haven't found another view like this, not anywhere close to me. Anyway, we are going to turn around at this point and start heading out. This trail's an out and back, so there's no loop or anything like that. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.